Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya WINANDO PARBO KUSUMA.
Perkenalkan, nama saya AULIA RAMADHAN.
Saya di sini akan membuat ekoenzim dari kulit buah yang tidak terpakai. Ikuti cara kami. Ecoenzymes are fermented organic waste products such as fruit and vegetable peels, sugar, and water. The idea of this project is to process enzyme for organic waste as organic cleaners. This liquid can be used as an effective natural fertilizer and pesticide host cleaner. The tools and material needed are skin fruit, sauce, salam, sugar, bottles, hoses, and glue. We need 1 ounce of palm sugar. And we need 3 ounces of fruit skin. Hold a bottle using a heated nail to insert a hose into the bottle. This hose serves to remove the gas into the bottle containing water trapped in a bottle containing fruit skin. Glue lid the bottle that has a hose so that there is no slightly gap in the hose. Then add the palm sugar into 1 liter of water. And then add the fruit skin. Provide solubility of sugar. We use orange skin and bananas. After everything is inserted, close the bottle with a bottle cover that has been installed hose. The manufacturing process was carried out on 3 November 2020 and the ecoenzym was ready on 3 February 2021. Hasil ekoenzim dan kita tunggu selama 3 bulan supaya hasilnya maksimal.
Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.